This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, ABRP, Elbilmek, Kempower and EB Hub. Yo, what's up? We're now at Bilkomponenter, Kløfta, and here we have Tesla Model Y standard or the rear drive. But we're gonna install something important here. I have this press car only for 5 days, but I highly recommend it. If you get a modern Tesla, is to install the commander at least. You might not want to have your sexy button or, well, I want to get in here. You can't have the sexy knob here because there is no center console here. But the commander here, so let me see, is highly recommended. But yeah, Sivert, and this time we have Sivert here, not Sondre, he's busy.
No, he's busy today, so I'm gonna help you out. So we're gonna install the commander today. The Enhance have changed the wiring harness a little bit. So now, if you order a wiring harness, you get 2 different plugs, so it will fit any Tesla, or at least Model 3, Model Y, new and old. So you get both, so you can use whatever fits your car. They're just easily interchangeable. You choose what you need for your car.
Okay.
Which is quite nice.
So, yeah, so you can just go ahead, Sivert. So there.
Yeah, well,
it's hopefully not different because Tesla, they tend to change stuff all the time. So it looks like before at least.
Yeah, so far the same as earlier.
You pop that fastener open.
Yeah. First, I usually pull this gasket off, but then you have 3 points or 4 points here. Just pull it out on this one. Quite nice and easy, and then you get a tool here to lift it up. This one usually sits a little bit there. Once you get it open, just lift up and then pull back as well. There you go.
And then it's a lot easier to access stuff in here.
Yeah, because then you have super easy access to behind here.
That's a data port.
The data port in there, and then you have this one here.
The power.
Yeah, power. Plug it in. And plug it in. And then just plug the commander in.
Yeah, so then it seems like it's operational now.
Yeah.
All right. It's up and running now, and we are updating it. There's some firmware update. There are some new versions. Unfortunately, I will not be able to test it on this car because, I mentioned the knob. One of the new stuff that is coming now is that when you do something with a knob, you can get the feedback or the whatever, it pops up on the dash. Yeah. So unfortunately, it doesn't work here unless I put just, I don't know, super glue the knob somewhere else. But I'll find another car I can test this on.
And to put it back together, it's a nice open space behind here, which you can set both the commander and the spare connector. So if you want to connect more stuff, you have availability here. And yeah, this will just stay there. Then it's just reverse order of everything. This one goes back in.
So Norwegian customers, do they want stuff installed by you guys?
Yeah, some wants us to install them, and some does it themselves because it's at least the commander and knob and stuff. It's quite easy, but some people doesn't like to touch and do it themselves. Then we can always do it for them.
Yeah, because at least I managed to break some clips there when I did it because I didn't do it properly.
Yeah, you have to be gentle. Put the plug back in. And here.
It was this part here, I think. Yeah, here. I broke some of the clips on Marcus Biel's car.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then, what is the trick here to...
The trick here is to get it quite close here, both up and down, and then just slide it in. Because then it has some hooks it hooks behind here and behind here. So if you keep it nice and close, it hooks and goes nicely back in. And then just put the rubber grommet back in again.
Okay, so it seems like at least this part here is identical on the standard versus the premium.
Yeah, this is exactly the same.
And why install just the commander? Well, because then you get access to some nice features, like you can manually preheat the battery via this button here. You see? You can see the battery temperature. Let me turn it off for now. You can see the maximum. You can show lots of canvas data in here. Very useful. You can also, of course, press and hold and then customize this. Okay, wow, there's so many customization here, but okay, for more normal users, what you want to do is go here to Commander, and this is really nice feature. You can mute this EU regulated overspeed sound, right? Nagging. You switch this on and then it turns off permanently. You don't have to, every time you start driving, press any button on the screen. It's just off until you turn it off in the app. So this is wonderful. Well, this continuous autopilot is also very nice. You're gonna, every time you change lane, if you don't have auto lane change, it will then re-enable autopilot. You can tune it the way you like it with number of seconds and so on. Maybe the kickdown function where you have it in some other mode like chill mode, and then you press the accelerator all the way down to enable more power. And if this matters, you know, if you have autopilot and you actually accelerate way too fast, you get this penalty, but then the commander will detect what's going on and then avoid you getting the penalty. And you know, with Juniper, there is no gear stalk anymore. Well, you have a blinker stalk, which is still nice, but then the scroll wheel here can be a sign. We have set it up now so that I can then use the scroll wheel to change the car into reverse or go forward, or then push it to go into park. Very convenient. Otherwise, by standard, you have to then swipe on the screen here, which is not always intuitive. Or if you get some kind of knob or maybe a button, you can of course use that. But you see, here's the beauty of the Commander, is that you have a whole ton of features, customization you can do without any other additional buttons or whatever. So actually Valdemar, my good friend at Elbilmek, he has a Model Y Juniper, and he also installed only the Commander, nothing else. Okay, that was it. So yeah, as usual, Norwegian customers, you guys can buy the sexy button or whatever. Okay, this was just the standard, but okay, as long as you have the premium, you can also get the very popular knob and other items, and then you can get the people here at the Bilkomponenter to install it for you. So yeah, great. And as always, you can use my discount code. But this applies to Norwegians. They actually sell to the whole world, except for maybe some African countries. Yeah, but most of them at least. So yeah, that's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.